Our transformation from Mitsubishi Strada to Mitsubishi Triton signifies an exciting transformation in the Mitsubishi Motors Philippines pickup lineup. It also reflects our commitment to deliver a pickup truck that goes beyond expectations. We believe in crafting a vehicle that embodies capability, comfort, durability, safety, and adventure. Today, we're all about all new. All new name, all new features, all new Mitsubishi Triton. Featuring an aggressive front grille and dynamic accents that exude a commanding road presence. The Mitsubishi Triton also has more power, with a stronger engine that has 204 horsepower and higher torque at 470 Newton meters. Now, take a look at this robust, expanded frame. Our all-new chassis and suspension cater to a larger cabin, combining both comfort and durability like never before. It ensures a smoother ride even in rugged landscapes. Your safety is our utmost priority. We also added more safety features to the all-new Mitsubishi Triton, such as advanced driver assistance features and the multi-around view monitor. Let's not forget the addition of active yaw control. This smart system that stems from Mitsubishi's Rally Heritage and Evolution models enhances vehicle performance and safety by controlling the braking and power distribution. We've made the interior more spacious than ever before, allowing for a greater feeling of freedom and comfort. We also added a new in-vehicle infotainment system with a 9-inch touchscreen display. Who can miss the varied driving modes? 7 to be exact, with Super Select 4-wheel drive technology for more fine-tuned power delivery and traction control to various road conditions. The all-new Mitsubishi Triton is geared for whatever road challenge may lie ahead. Let's remember that the Triton isn't just a pickup. It's a symbol of our commitment to customers. With comfort crafted into every corner and unwavering performance, the Triton embodies quality and safety.